Welcome back to our Nairobi Safari walking tour. Today we stand on ground that changed the world of conservation forever. The Ivory Burning Site Monument marks where tons of ivory and rhino horn were reduced to ash, a symbol that wildlife has no value unless it's alive. In 1989, and again in 2016, these fires sent a powerful message to the world. Kenya's heritage is not for sale. It's a place of quiet reflection, offering a vast view of the plains where the survivors of this trade still roam. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. From history, we move to the Nairobi Safari Walk, an elevated boardwalk designed to showcase Kenya's diverse ecosystems. This 2.5-kilometer path takes us through 3 distinct habitats: the wetland, the savanna, and the forest. First, the wetlands. Listen to the gentle ripple of water, home to the elusive and rare pygmy hippo. Next, we enter the savanna. Here you might spot a rare albino zebra, its white coat a striking sight among the grass. I'm Eric Carey, and we're on a mission to reach a huge milestone: 1,000 subscribers. Hitting 1,000 subscribers represents our continued commitment to improve the channel and provide the best for you. Help us reach our goal by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell. Your subscription also helps us know what type of content you want to see more of. It's a shared journey. The goal is in sight, and with your help, we can reach it together. Join our growing community today. I'm committed to bringing you more value and better quality as we grow this channel to new heights. Thank you for being part of this. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more updates. Finally, the cool, quiet forest. Among the towering trees, the rare bongo antelope hides, its chestnut coat striped with white. Over 150 species of indigenous trees are labeled here, each with its own story and medicinal use. Many of these plants have been used for generations in traditional medicine, a living library of nature's healing power. The elevated path gives us a unique perspective, allowing us to see leopards and cheetahs closer than ever before. A cheetah keeps watch from its lookout, a master of speed and camouflage in this simulated wild. Keep your eyes on the canopy. The Safari Walk is a paradise for birdwatchers, with flashes of color at every turn. It's more than just a walk, it's an education, teaching us the importance of protecting these fragile ecosystems. From this height, you can truly appreciate the interconnectedness of Kenya's natural beauty. Just a short distance away lies another haven of hope, the world-famous Elephant Orphanage. As the day ends, we reflect on the incredible efforts being made to ensure these species survive for generations to come. In our final part, we head deep into the open savanna to witness the raw drama of life and death in the wild. Join us for part 3, the heart of the savanna. The journey is far from over. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content.